Don't try to get anything from external reality. Some of you might be wondering what I am saying, but stay with me and you will realize it. Have you ever observed why a desire arises within you? I know many of you say that you don't have it, but do you realize that you don't have a lot of things? It seems strange, right? In my opinion, the inner man wants to feel something, but you have attached some symbols to that feeling. Those symbols are some physical objects that you desire. Now, whoever asks me, why do they have to imagine having their desire? I have a very simple and straightforward response. Whenever a desire arises, it begins to feel internally as if something is missing or something is lacking. The only thing that can be missing is the feeling. When you feel internally what you desire to feel outside, it happens. However, people begin to seek their desires externally. They try and try. Well, trying is not bad at all, but it is not manifestation. Manifestation implies that whatever you have internally is projected externally. If you are trying to get something, it simply means that you don't have it. Either you have something or you don't have something. Neville Goddard always mentioned that you have to stay in the state of wish fulfillment. Wishes fulfilled simply means that you have what you wanted internally. When your doubts and complaints become less and your state of having that thing becomes more, it manifests externally. Whenever that happens, you won't be surprised at all because you know it is true internally. When it happens to you for the first time, you may get shocked because you didn't notice the connection between external and internal earlier. The external world is simply your past assumptions playing out. Since they are past assumptions, that means you cannot get anything from them. The external reality is dead. You cannot get anything from it unless you change what is within you. This is the reason why I said that you don't have to try to get anything from external reality. External reality can't give you anything different from what you have experienced within. Whatever has happened in this world, every invention was first imagined by someone and then manifested externally. Also, when you try, it simply implies that you don't have it. When you don't have it, the external reality doesn't show it. So, the game is simple. Just give yourself internally, in your imagination, what you desire to have, and in doing so, it will appear externally. You have the ability to experience something in your inner world. You just haven't tried it because you are too involved in this physical world. In the past few years, smartphone addiction has risen to the point that we have stopped sitting with ourselves. Our consumption of digital data has grown so much that we think it is productive to watch something or read something, and sitting with ourselves seems to be a waste of time. But sitting with ourselves is the most vital thing, and constantly using the smartphone is a waste of time. When you sit with yourself, you will learn a lot about this body, about you, and about what is going on within you at any given time. You would even notice small details around you that you had previously overlooked. My advice is just that you don't keep looking outside for your desire, and never try to get it. Just turn within and experience it right now. Don't wait for the future. Don't wait for other things to conform. Just go to the end and experience it right now. Your questions about when and how it will happen will disappear when you experience them in the present moment because you will have fed and experienced the inner man. But if they don't go away, then you have to focus more on the end state of being internally. Anything is possible if you experience it internally. Don't distract yourself because of the external reality. It may look opposite at the moment, but it is dead. You are alive, giving it life. You are giving it from the inside, from your inner world. So, I hope you learned something useful from this. This video might be short, but it will give you the answers that you are looking for. Subscribe because I post these videos regularly. I will meet you with another golden nugget. Happy manifesting.